Hello, hello, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. What y'all don't realize is this man right here, behind the brain behind Peace Ad Mind LLC, this dude's a genius. Check this guy out. You want some marketing? They bring real results to businesses online. Go check it out on Facebook. Send him a message or call 910-297-9967. Now, I'm featuring him here on Green Books Network because he's already a part of Green Books Network. And I'm going to go through everybody's business page and let you check them out and do a promo on them. Why? When you're good at what you do, you're supposed to get notoriety. Okay? So that's why we're here, checking him out. So let's go to his services. He'll get you reputable accountants featured. This service will get you on Yahoo Finance, trending #1 on Google News, plus placement on some affiliate sites of CBS, NBC, Fox, etc. in 30 days or less from when they approve your story. Live, guaranteed. This will establish authority for your business. Okay? Now they got tier 2. And I think the difference is Business Insider. You get on Business Insider here as well. Ultimate authority for your business. And website creator and SEO blaster. We optimize your business by finding the best keywords for your niche and desired outcome. We rank you top 10 in Google Maps within 60 to 90 days or less, guaranteed. We aim to make your business rank on the first page within 6 months and will maintain and keep it ranked on top of the page for the long term. That's a tall order. Y'all be wanting to get your business out there. You willing to get this website creator SEO blaster? Are you willing to put your business on top? Are you willing? That's the only question I want to know. Are you willing? Because there are services out there that'll put your business on top. No more complaining. Oh, I should have done it last year. No, don't nobody care about that. What do you care about? Do you want your business on top or not? Yeah, it's a yes or no question. Click the button and find out more. Book him and find out more. What else you got to complain about? Everything else is just you complaining. Because I don't hear nothing about, oh, I couldn't. No. You don't have to be the person who knows it all in order to make your business succeed. You need to learn how to delegate, all right, to people who know how to do it. Give up that money so you can make more money. Scared money don't make no what? All right. You already know what it is. I'm just yelling at you because, we've been giving these sob stories to each other all next year. Oh, baby, I think this is the year. It is? What are you going to do this year different than last year for your business? I got an office this year. That's what I did for my business. I got an office. I know it's different. That's what I did different. I've never got an office. You ain't never seen me with no office, guys. Never. I've been in business since 2004. I've never had an office. First office. I've had home office, but that don't count. This is an office, a commercial lease. I'm in a commercial building. I'm in a Murchison building, downtown Wilmington, North Carolina. Okay? So, what are you going to do different for your business this year? What's going to get you out there? 2022. This ain't 1999 now. What you going to do different this year? Yeah, and I'm bugging you. I'm that guy. I'm the one with his elbow in your back, trying to get you to see, hey, what's going on here? All right. I want you to pay attention to what your business needs. Your business is leaking. It need to be fixed. All right. So where we was at before I went on my spiel. We aim to make your business rank on the first page within 6 months, and will maintain and keep it ranked on top of the page for the long term. We create fully optimized websites for SEO and user experience. We allow you to use testimonials and case studies for best results. We strongly recommend using this service for at least 6 months with us. Better growth for your business. Yeah, I know you know English now. That's plain English. You can do the epic podcast placement. I got my food in the microwave beeping at me, and I'm trying to tell y'all about this here. You see what I'm saying? Where's my priorities? I'll be putting y'all first. I need to go over there eat my fun. Let me read this, all right? I'm going to be out. I got to pray too. I don't put that before prayer, so let me finish this real quick. Outline of services. Assess client niche and desired target audience. 2. Guaranteed to be featured on 2 to 3 podcasts in front of target audience. Benefits. Use this to build brand authority within their industry, or use it to get in front of their target market and actually generate leads. Timeline varies on topic, but 30 to 60 days on getting a spot locked in. And your Facebook page blaster. We advertise your Facebook page and tell people to click like. Price varies on quantity desired, and sometimes more likes may be delivered. Please be aware that higher page like quantities requested may take more time to be fully executed. We help clients get from 100 to 200,000, 100 to 20,000 page likes with our advertising. Order amounts plus 100 page likes, plus 100 plus 500 page likes. Anti-abuse warning. You can only choose one order over 500 likes once. Users abusing this service will lose rights to do business with us. No refunds. Plus 1,000 page likes, plus 5,000 page likes, plus 10,000 page likes, plus 20,000 page likes. All right, guys. Book him. You click on book and you can click which one you want. It's as simple as that. And actually, I want this one. Continue. You go in here and you pick your exposure blast, your time. And no, he don't got the price on here. And yes, you have to ask him about it. It's called a consultation. All right, I'm going to choose. Today is Tuesday, January 25th. So tomorrow, what do I have in my calendar? I want to make sure I don't have nothing crazy on my calendar. For tomorrow, go on my Helitek. Thursday. Nope, I got nothing until Thursday. All right, so tomorrow, 8 a.m. Phone number 980-215-9313. Appointment times. Appointment notes. I have a staffing agency who... Actually, no. I don't want that one. I want to get people to jump on Green Books Network. So Green Books Network needs melanated entrepreneurs, whatever, to join the platform. Paid platform. It's going to be 973-913-4935. Request appointment. Boom. You see that? Boom, baby. I'm gonna have Wesley $1 billion virgin. I'm gonna have his type of energy. All right. Now look at that. Look at that. Immediate reach out. Hi, thanks for contacting us. We appreciate you reaching out to us today. Someone will be with you momentarily. Feel free to ask questions or share with us any concerns you may have at this moment. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I love it. All right, guys. Do that. If you can't do what I just did, you're not in business. If you're complaining about, I don't have enough this and I don't have enough that and blah, 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 blah. Go to Peace Ad Mind LLC, okay, and do what I just did. And wait to hear back for some results. And stop playing. I got time for all that. Yeah, all this complaining. I got time for no complaining. Pick one of these things right here and go with it. Learn something about what you're not doing. Okay? I'm all on you right now. I'm talking to all the people that ever came to me and was like, oh, my business is blah, blah, blah. Why aren't you on here doing blah, blah, blah? Help fixing blah, blah, blah. You scared? The least he can do is outline what's wrong with your business. You scared to know? I'm calling you bluff. All right. Let's go. And jump on the Green Books Network platform. If you're not watching this on Green Books and already inside, great, you're here. Look around. Make sure that you click on people's profiles and see who they are and what they do and buy from them. That's what we do here. All right. Or you think I'm all on Peace Ad Mind marketing? Huh? I'm on here because he's on Green Book Network. So I'm blowing him up. Because this man got 41 recommendations with a 5-star rating on Facebook. Those are called paying customers that have received a great, hold on, reviews. See that? Paying customers. Okay? They like all over the world. They like it. And you know why they like it? Because it works for them. All right? Let's go. Let's go. I think we as Americans are just what's that word? And I'm gonna say it. We as Americans, I think we just there's a word for us. There's a word. Hold on now. Entitled. Lazy. Call it what it is. You want to call me out on it? We lazy, we entitled. We think the world revolves around us. And it doesn't. There are more people in the world than just Americans and just American dollar. You can get paid in rupees. You can get paid in pounds, sterling. You can get paid digitally in Bitcoin. Don't have to get paid in American dollars. In fact, I'd rather get paid in pounds. Anyhow, That's a whole nother conversation. But the point is, money's green. Let's go. Let's get up and great. My platform. And download the Mighty Networks app. Look up Green Book Network and join it for the life of your business. Join it. Join it, I tell you. You will not regret it. We have committees. Oh yeah, you can't have none of this unless you join. So yeah, we got committees planting trees in Vietnam, planting trees in Costa Rica, planting trees in Mexico, planting trees in Kenya. Oh, we got committees. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm not gonna show you anymore. That's it. But we're doing reforestation. Come on, guys, jump on. Did you even know anything about replanting trees? I didn't before 2017. It reduces our carbon footprint on this planet. Look that up. Anyhow, we're on here planting trees for every sale for our e-courses and our e-books and e-products and e-services. Okay? Every time we make a sale, we plant a tree. Peace out.